Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Yesterday's analysis aged like fine wine. Based on both the 3-day and 1-day heat maps, I told you to watch for a potential retest of the lower yellow horizontal at $103,400. And that's exactly what happened. The 3-day liquidation heat map showed liquidity stacked down to 102,200, with plenty of long liquidation fuel glowing. Meanwhile, the 1-day heat map lit up the chart at 105,500, with bearish short liquidations ready to pop. And then came the setup. Bitcoin blasted all the way up to 105,700, absolutely wrecking the shorts. Then it dumped hard, back down to 104, then lower to the yellow horizontal at 103.4, and even deeper to my former entry level around 100,800. From that point, Bitcoin bounced off the blue horizontal line at 101.7 and retested the yellow horizontal at 101.4 before pushing back up again. It was a textbook case of market makers wiping both sides clean. First the shorts, then the longs. Ruthless. Over the past 24 hours, we've seen a total of $706 million in liquidations. $483 million of that came from longs, and $222 million from shorts. These are not small moves. They are calculated liquidity plays. As for me, I've started scaling into a new long position. I consider this one medium risk, mainly because I missed the optimal entry that my 45-minute long wave strategy gave at 101.7. That hurt. Time to re-enable my automated signal trading to avoid missing these setups again. If you missed my video on how I automate entries and exits with BingX signal trading, check my channel. It's one of the most watched. Search for signal automation and give it a watch. It will save you from FOMO mistakes like this. Since I missed the low, I've now opened a new position around the liquidation level at 102.2. This area not only got fully cleared today, but it also served as key support on May 9th during the move from 100,000 to 105,700. That makes it a strong area to build again. Now for a quick fundamental update, Michael Saylor kept his word and made a major move. MicroStrategy just announced the purchase of 13,390 Bitcoin for approximately $1.34 billion at an average price of $99,856 per coin. That brings their total holdings to 568,840 Bitcoin, purchased for a whopping $39.41 billion at an average of $69,287. Say what you want about Saylor, but he plays for keeps. I'll be back tomorrow with fresh updates. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. If you got value from this video, smash the like button, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And see you in the next one.